Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Krista Shirley, and today we're looking at one of my very favorite products from Young Living Essential Oils, which is their Ningxia Antioxidant Drink. This is a caffeine-free, incredible energy drink that tastes really delicious and is incredible for us. It has hundreds and hundreds of antioxidants in it, and its main key ingredient is wolfberries. So I will consume this in a trillion different ways. And I love that we have options for packaging because every day in my son's lunchbox, I will put in a 2-ounce package for him. Whenever I'm traveling to teach workshops and retreats all over the place, I'll carry these with me. But when I'm here at home in Orlando, I like to use these big bottles. So this is the Ningxia drink that I was discussing, and then I like to add copaiba. So if I'm in a hurry or first thing in the morning and I don't feel creative to make it in a smoothie or a protein shake or add it to my juices or something, because there is 1,000 ways to consume this incredible drink, then I just put it in a cup and I usually add copaiba oil. So copaiba is one of the Young Living essential oils that I'm obsessed with. It is really good for your skin, but it also is a vitality line oil, meaning that it's great for internal consumption or ingestion. And when you consume copaiba oil internally, it gets into your system in about 26 seconds. And copaiba oil is wonderful down to a cellular level. It helps your body to absorb whatever you're otherwise consuming. And it's really good for your body. It's good for regeneration, it's good for digestion, assimilation. On a cellular level, it's an incredible oil and one that I put in almost everything, especially the foods that I consume. We won't talk about its amazing skin properties today, that'll be another video. But so all I do, like I said, first thing in the morning, I'll take 1/4 of a cup or 2 ounces. Each serving is 1 to 2 ounces. And I will pour 2 ounces of Ningxia, and I'll do 2 drops of copaiba oil, or 3, depends on my mood. And it's literally that simple. And you have a caffeine-free, super full vitamins, delicious Ningxia drink. Cheers. It's so good. Please, if you're interested in anything related to health and wellness, essential oils, supplements, please message me. I'd love to help you on your journey to health and wellness. If you like this video, please click the like button below, share it with your friends. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you're aware with all the notifications, all the videos that I post on YouTube. And post in the comment section below, what's your favorite way to consume Ningxia? Have a great day.